Welcome back to the Sardine News.
No report this morning from a rainy Port Edward. Have a good day. Tatlan.
Morning. I'm going to try looking for the shirt.
Hi peeps, and welcome to another quick bear update down here by Park Rynie. This was insane down here yesterday apparently. Guys could see the produce from the boat, 30-40 meter viz on the shoal there. Although swell has jacked a bit this morning, as you can see. Got bag low now. High tide should be around 2 o'clock, I didn't actually check. Got a southwest coming through at about 10 o'clock, light to moderate. There's quite a bit of rain in the Scottburgh Mgababa area last night, this morning. Yeah, light north-south current. At the moment on the shoal, 25.5 degrees. Should be a lucky day, or at least a lucky morning until the southwest comes through. Anyways, peeps, that's an away from the bear. And as always, dive safe and straight space.
Little Steve, Port Edward, Splash Rock. Found a gap in the rain. Quite a few shad fishermen here. Water's off colour, flat as a pancake, and quite a few shad coming out.